and welcome back to Nadira's kitchen. Today we're going to be making a quick and easy tomato salad. So these are all the ingredients you'll be needing and I'll link them in the description below. So you'll need a cucumber, some coriander, 2 green chilies, a lemon, 3 tomatoes and some salt. So these are all the ingredients you'll need and I'll link them in the description below. So first you just want to finely chop your tomatoes and add them into a bowl. Next you want to cut up your cucumbers and also add them into the bowl along with your tomatoes. Next you want to chop up your onions and also add them into the bowl with your cucumbers and tomatoes. After that you need to chop up 2 small green chilies and just add them into your salad. So here I've just chopped up some coriander and we're just going to sprinkle it on top of our salad. So now I'm just going to squeeze 1 lemon into it. You can use lemon or lime, it's all up to you. Finally, we're just going to sprinkle some salt onto it. After that, you need to give it a good mix. So this is how my salad turned out. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and also comment down below what other videos you'd like to see me do. Please share with your family and friends and I'll see you next time. Bye!